Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Tuesday, March 21st. Time is 10:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here's a trade that I just entered. Long 10 contracts, 48.91. So getting a late start this morning. Here's what I'm seeing though. Overnight push up, big breakdown in the London session, banging up against the testing anyway. The current low of the day at 48.86. We got these prints right here, fairly massive at the 48.95. So counting back 9 to 19 there, 85.75. That puts us 85 to 75 right here off the value area low at 48.83. Is close to the threshold on that one there anyway. So anyway, we're in the oversold area, and I'm thinking we're going to start getting some kind of a bounce around here. So it's sitting right at settlement right now. And now we're just kind of watching and waiting at this point here. So let me go and look for a little bit. But anyway, 10 contracts long, 48.91, stop sitting at 48.81. Look to pull half off at 49.01. All right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, I went ahead and pulled half off at 9 ticks, 49.00. And I am going to be moving my stop now. It is going to 87. A 4-tick stop on this one here. So I want to see if we can get a break above this moving average at this period. But yeah, this solid spike down hit right to the tick of where it needed to for entry on this trade. Moved quick, so I wasn't really paying that kind of attention to it, as I was thinking it was probably going to come on down here to value area low, and it still might. But so we're safe in this trade at the moment with half off and stop sitting 4 ticks. So it's a fairly scratch trade, but it's free right now. So all right, let me watch for a bit and I'll be back. Okay, that was a really nice move. Got one off at 21 up here for, what is that, 91, 01, 11, 30 ticks. Okay, and yeah, this is moving really quick right now. So I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to break even. Definitely, though. 91. There. Okay. A lot of volume building up right here on this bar. And what this is looking like, that looks like a retail flush, so I think it might be turning into a bear, as I don't think this is going to close above this 50-period average. So I'm going to wait and see how this actually plays out as I'm in this long right now. And I think I may try to pull some more profit off. Since, yeah, it jumped right past 11 for 20 ticks and shot on up to 21. So I adjusted that as a market, well, as a limit, but it was way up there. So it came back and touched 21. Okay, let me see here. Where are we at now? Okay, so let me watch for just a bit, and we'll see our next area to be able to get out at. I'm shooting for 31, but I don't think that's really promising. So I may just scale out some more at around 21 or so. All right, I'll be back, and we'll see where we end up at. Okay, I just closed everything out of this trade at 10 ticks. So highest one was at 21 for 30 ticks. I think this is wanting to go shorts, and I want to see if we can actually get a pullback to the POC and probably look for a short in that area there. It may reach all the way back up to 49.25 again, but I don't think it's going to break that. I'm looking at these long wicks. This is pretty substantial, but yeah, this is looking exactly like a retail flush. 409.06 puts it right in the 9 to 19 range, with absorption happening right up around 21 or so. So we'll see if we can grab this guy here. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I'm going to grab it right here at short 10 contracts 49.07. Look to pull half off at 48.97. Stop is sitting at 17. Yeah, that's all I can do. Okay, 17 right now. So, all right, we'll see what happens here. Be back in just a minute. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop on down to 49.09. That's going to leave it a 2-tick stop. 49.09. As it shouldn't push back up against this, so it came right up to the point of control, which is what I thought. So we're still trying to get 10 off. I may just pull out of this early though. So we're at 6 ticks right now. Alright, I'm gonna hang tight. I'll be back. Okay, perfect. Got half off here at 97. And I'm gonna go ahead. Nope, I'm gonna leave my stop where it is for the moment, where I'm at 07. Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here at 09. So 2-tick stop still. 5 contracts short, 59.07. Look to pull one off at 87. See if I can get that set up really quick. Okay, and at this point we should start free falling. Okay, 5 contracts short 49.07. One to come off at 48.87. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop to break even at this point. Yep. Okay. We're in a good area right here now. So, all right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, got one off at 87. Where we at? Right here. Nope. Yeah, right here. Okay, that got that off. That is for 20 ticks. 07. Yeah, 20 ticks. So I'll set another one to come off at 77. And stop's going to stay at break even at the moment. So let me set that up. 77. By 1 minute. So, okay. 4 contracts short, 49.07. Stop sitting at break even. And look to pull one off at 48.77. All right, be back in a minute. Okay, one off for 77 right here. That is for 30 ticks, so 3 contracts short now. I'll go ahead and adjust my stop at this point. And 99. Yep, 99 looks like my area right here, hiding behind these aggressive sellers. So I'm going to move that, and that looks like that is a 8-tick stop. There, okay, and I'll set to pull one off at 67. Let's see if we get down there. So I'm liking this move so far. It's nice. Okay, where we at? 3 contracts short, 49.07. Stops is sitting at 48.99 for 8 ticks, and look to pull one off at 48.67 for, what's that, 40 ticks? 07, 97, 87. Yeah, 40 ticks. So that's where we're at right now. All right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, one off there at 67. That is for 40 ticks. 2 contracts short, 49.07. Stop sitting at 48.99. I'm gonna bring it down just a bit more. We got a lot of aggressiveness going on here. I don't like to be that close though. 93. What is that? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 14 ticks. 14 ticks locked in. being at 48.93 now. So, all right, 2 contracts short, 49.07. Stop sitting at 48.93 for 14 ticks. Next pill-off area is at 57. And that will be for 50 ticks. 57 will be the limit there. Okay. All right, guys. Still watching. So we got a lot of down pressure still. Nothing. Well, this bar looked like it could be setting up as a reversal sequence. We'll see. All right. Be back shortly. Okay, guys. So we're back into a channel now. So here's what's happening. Bears are tired, so they're not continuing to sell at this moment, but the buyers aren't stepping in just yet either. So probably in the next, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, you may start seeing some action. Typically what happens with CL, if it channels down with momentum and then channels, bears arrest and then they'll leg it down again. But we're in the oversold area, so it's really difficult to say at this moment because this is a valid reversal sequence sitting here. Still haven't reached the 9 area, which will put it right on this ice line in yesterday's preview, or yesterday's, is it 7 deviation? Yeah, so it would actually settle around that area and then possibly leg down again. So, it's an area of interest, but still holding this short. 2 contracts, 49.07, and we'll kind of see what happens at this point. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, the moving average is caught up. I'm gonna move my stop down to 87. That's going to lock in 20 ticks. 86 is the ideal area as it's hiding behind this cluster still, but me being infatuated with round numbers so I can calculate quickly, I'm gonna move it to 87 at that point. So tick difference there. So 2 contracts short, 49.07. Stop sitting at 87 to lock in 20 ticks. Look to pull one off at 57 for 50 ticks, and that's where we're sitting at the moment. So still channeling along. I can't tell if there's some accumulation going on here with the bears to leg this down again. But yeah, conflict here because this is a reversal sequence, but it didn't take off like it should. So in typical CL fashion, it would leg down again. But you know, again, we're down here in the oversold area as well, so we'll see. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, got one off there at 57 for 50 ticks. And now I am 1 contract short, 49.07, and that one is for the gusto. So I will see if we can shoot down to 48.07. 48.07. Wow, that's way down there. So we'll see. Let's see where we're sitting in this reversal sequence. 74, 64, 54. Okay, it's right there to the tick. So if it breaks past that, this cluster becomes null and void. Got some absorption going on here though. So, let me go ahead and move that up. Okay, 76, 56, 40, 76. Nope, that ain't the one. 73, 60, 53. All right, yep. Yeah, okay, it's broken. So now we are going to adjust our stop. Where I'm at 87 right now. Okay, I'm going to bring it on down to 67. and that will lock in 40 ticks. Okay. All right. Let me watch for just a minute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop on down to 63. This is looking like it's setting up to be the reversal area, and that is going to lock in 07, 97, 18, 77, 67, 43 ticks. So, okay, good move so far. Let's see here. One contract short, 49.07. Stop sitting at 48.63 for, what did I say, 43 ticks. And then look to pull the last one off at 48.07, way down here at the 1 deviation line. Just in case it does break again. All right, get back shortly. Okay, I'm going to move my stop on down to 57. That's going to lock in 50 ticks at this point. Even number there. So this is reaching 45, 35, wait a minute, 44, 44, 34. Yeah. Okay. This would be set for, this would be, entry levels for this, print back here. So I wasn't paying attention for absorption, cause I'm still in the short, but, still tightening up because this is a valid reversal sequence for at least 10 ticks anyway. So, all right, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm bringing my stop on down to 47. I think that locks in 60 ticks. 07, 97, 87. 50 ticks. 07, 97, 87, 77, 67, 57. Yeah, 60 ticks. Okay. The 24 should hold as the threshold here, which is 1 tick above right now. If it breaks, then that cluster becomes invalid right here. But I'm seeing some absorption around 31. Actually, I was seeing quite a bit on this bar right here. 31 at this point of control, up to about 33. So if I was going to be looking for a long, I would probably get in around here with a 4 or 5 tick stop, but just managing right now. So and tightening stops, specifically if it shows a reversal sequence. Now with this being a channel, not really. You got these 3 bars that kind of channeled, 4 bars that kind of channeled, but sellers are gaining strength again, and they're actually pushing it, but I suspect it's going to be a turnaround right in this area, probably right where it is at 24 or 48.25. So, all right, watching, be back. Okay, moving my stop down to 37. These markets getting really tired. It's getting around lunchtime, and I'm thinking we're due for some type of a flip or possibly this channel for a while here. So 37, that's going to lock in 70 ticks on this run down, and that's actually a good area to actually look to get on out if my stop gets hit there. 30 ticks on the run up, 70 ticks on the down. That puts me at 100 ticks for the day already. So I'm happy regardless what happens. So, but we're still going to manage this one and just tighten up even more as we go. All right, be back in a bit. All right, guys, stopped right there. So good deal. And that is a wrap for the day. So 30 ticks on the up, 70 ticks on the down. And I will take those any and every day. So this is almost to the tick. 24 was the threshold on this one here. I saw some absorption around 30 to 33, so this should break at this point here. But anyway, I'm done trading for the day. I won't be trading tomorrow. I got class, and I'll come back and probably do a market recap though. So all right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you See you Thursday, most likely. All right, bye.